So, your team's moving to cloud, and half of your docs are still sitting on your old data center site. Before you can sync anything between the two, they need to trust each other first. Let's get at the setup. First thing, this is a one time setup. You're basically introducing your data center site to talk to your cloud site so they're allowed to talk. On your data center admin, click General Configuration, go to Space Sync for Confluence, then Cloud Settings. In this page, click Generate Cloud Access Token. This downloads a token file. Think of it like a handshake key. You're going to hand this to your cloud site next. Now, flip over to your cloud site, click the cog icon top right to get into the Confluence administration. Go find Space Sync Settings and click Data Center Settings. In here, select the token and click Upload. As you can see at this point, you still have like a warning sign saying incomplete connection. Now, flip back to the spacing for Confluence in DC and click Allow Authentication. Click Allow. At this point, sites are connected, but it doesn't mean any specific space is syncing yet. That's the next step.